what my current floor mats look like. There's none. I found some on eBay. They had a style that I liked, and they were under $100. Got some new floor mats. This cool. This one comes with a note. Hello, dear. When you open the package, please do not use sharp objects such as scissors or art cutter to open the package directly. Thank you. So we have to find a way to do it without like a blade or something. Open them up very carefully. So I kind of got like that diamond stitch pattern with some red. There was plenty of different options. I'm gonna lay these out on the living room floor and see what they look like unfolded. I'm about to unfold them. Driver's side, passenger side, and the rear. I'm setting these out in the sun for a little bit to let the heat relax the material before I put them in the car. All right, these marinated in the sun long enough. I'm gonna be removing these tabs, clips out of the carpet because it seems like that'd be an obstruction for the floor mats. So I'm gonna use a flathead screwdriver and pry the clips out. It's kind of hard to show, but this is what it's like in the carpet. Pulling it out and up like this, a flathead can get in there, twist, and it releases. All right, the clips are removed. I'll do the other side, and then I'll start installing the carpet, or floor mats. I'll start with the rear. I doubt anybody will ever ride back here, but it came as a 3-piece set. And this material is kind of like a clinging material, almost like Velcro. Not quite as coarse. This is it installed. I'll get the driver's side in and then over to the passenger side. So it is sectioned to mold around the footrest right there. It's pretty neat. And this one's just straightforward. Puts in place. The edges fold where they need to. That was a quick, easy installation. I didn't have floor mats, so to me, it was worth like the $100.